Check me again. Dude, checked it twice, doubted myself.
Alright, solid head count. Up on the flight deck right now, I've got 3 people. That means you got 35 in the back, alright? Ramp and door is going to be the best one for you, but I trust you take the best exit you got. Alright, meet up in the grass. We're outloaded, 300 feet's going to be plenty. Watch out for emergency trucks. If we get off the ground with an EP, we'll handle an airborne emergency. We'll find a nice holding spot before we do bring it back into the town.
First pass! 6 minutes!